Now we're going to connect our mobile device to Apple CarPlay here in the Cayenne. Now you'll notice that Apple CarPlay is not connected because this is grayed out. But we're going to use this icon to start the process. So select Apple CarPlay. You'll select Settings on your mobile device. And you're waiting for the Cayenne to show up here in your settings. There it shows. And select it on your phone. You'll have a pair request on your phone and on the PCM. You'll select pair on your phone first and then accept on the PCM. Now it's asking to allow your contacts and favorites to sync. You'll select allow. And the next question is going to ask is, would you like to connect via Apple CarPlay? Yes, use CarPlay. And a new device connected on the PCM, select yes. You've now connected your device so that you can use Apple CarPlay in your Cayenne. You'll notice the green icon here. If you go back to your home menu, you'll notice that it's actually turned green here. Another way you can connect to Apple CarPlay with your mobile device is using the cable. So you'll plug one in via the USB-C in the cell phone charging compartment and then connect your mobile device. On the screen, it will say new device connected. Select yes. And here you can see we are connected to Apple CarPlay.